Hi, welcome to the Captain John Palliser Community Open House. We hope that you enjoy the presentation that follows. The organization of our presentation is a PowerPoint with audio files attached. At any time, you may pause the presentation if you need to revisit what is written on the slide or if you would like to revisit what you have heard in the audio file. At Captain John Palliser, we offer two programs. We have an alternative program, which is our Montessori program. We also have a community program that is in our school for students in kindergarten through grade 6.
Each CBE program has unique features. At CJP, our community classes focus on relationships, curriculum, and best pedagogical practices. We personalize for students' needs and welcome students at their current level. All students have a next right step and we help them be successful. We do not anticipate a lottery in our community program this year.
There is no lottery for our community kindergarten class. Registration has opened for this class January 11th and is ongoing through the school year. We do respectfully request that all families who hope to have their child attend our community kindergarten register prior to the beginning of May so that we can take into consideration all the learning needs and staffing for those classes. There are many similarities between community and Montessori classes at CJP, including report cards, provincial curriculum, and all teachers holding a valid Alberta teaching certificate. All CJP students, school-wide, participate in amazing music and fine arts programs. They engage in fantastic PE opportunities, such as curling, snowshoeing, lacrosse, and dance, and have opportunities to participate in STEM projects and learning experiences with a variety of robotics. Our students also participate in French in Division 2. Fostering independence, multi-age grouping, and peace education are foundational philosophic components of the Montessori program. These characteristics are also found in community classrooms at CJP and across public education because they contribute to exceptional learning environments and strong foundational components of education.
At CJP, all students participate in math number talks on a regular basis. This focuses on improving their reasoning and mental math skills. Explicit teaching of math vocabulary at appropriate grade levels is also a focus of our program. Problem solving is included in our math curriculum in order to ensure application of math skills in real-world situations. All classrooms have the benefit of a variety of math manipulatives that provide hands-on materials for students to learn and move their understanding from concrete to abstract of all math skills.
Literacy instruction is an integral part of teaching and learning at CJP. At CJP, students participate in a joyful, literacy-rich environment in their classrooms. Every day they receive responsive, explicit instruction to help them improve their skills. We utilize programs such as animated literacy and the Words Their Way to help meet students where they're at and move them forwards. We try to utilize a hands-on approach to learning, in addition to using various high-impact instructional strategies, such as using interactive read-alouds, shared reading, guided reading, and writer's workshop. We also offer reading intervention programs for struggling readers to help catch them up to their same age peers.
At Captain John Palliser, students have access to a wide range of technology that is both relevant to their lives and helps to enrich and foster their own learning. From using robots, such as Dash and Dot and Ozobots, to Lego WeDo and Microbits, students can feel empowered in their learning when given the opportunity to create and explore when technology is infused into their projects. iPads, Chromebooks, and MacBooks are not only wonderful resources that give students limitless info at their fingertips, but provides them the opportunity to learn and use tools that will continue to benefit them throughout their lifelong learning journeys.
Captain John Palliser is an extraordinary place for your children to be exposed to a multitude of learning opportunities. Some of those learning opportunities are things such as robotics, STEM, residencies. We also have fun activities for the whole family, such as our family picnic and our Stampede breakfast.
Here at CJP, our teachers do an amazing job at preparing the students in the social emotional development domains. We work hard and strive for self-regulation because we know that when a child is self-regulated, it is a precursor for learning. When their brains are available emotionally, they're able to obtain and retain information much faster and in a more seamless manner. We build resilience for learning through a growth mindset, through language, through the exploration of using growth mindset language. We encourage our students to continue to persevere when they are challenged with something that they feel they are not quite ready for. And we implement that language on a daily basis. We also use zones of regulation here to help our students identify their emotions and what is happening within their bodies at the time of those emotions so that they can better identify how they're feeling, and we can problem solve and work through the situation with the children. In most of our classrooms, there are areas designed as peace corners or peace areas where students have an opportunity to reflect and consider what's going on in their little worlds, perhaps maybe working through conflict or doing a bit of problem solving. And sometimes they just need a break from their sensory overload that may be occurring, and it's a place where they can contemplate and re-regulate with various tools and a nice quiet area. Our goal overall is to develop their confidence and their self-awareness as themselves as learners so that they can be successful in everything they do here at CJP.
Pre-kindergarten is a private program that is housed at CJP for out-of-school and kindergarten enhancement care. If you are interested in more information about either of these programs, please contact the pre-kindergarten program directly.